So hello guys, my name is Shobi and I've already spent so much money trying to improve my skin. Personally, I've had to deal with acne and acne marks over the years. Plus now, I'm getting worried about fine lines from aging. At sa sobrang init sa labas, I have to be more careful not to get dark spot too. Ang dami ko na talaga na-try na skincare products, mamahalin, mumurahin, pero ni isa, as in, walang tumalab. I ordered the Orabella Defense Factor System. There's enough of each product to last 2 months and super tipid gamitin. I love that all Orabella products have serum strength formulas. This is why the DFS is so effective and works so quickly. My favorite product sa DFS set is yung spot solution kasi natatanggal niya talaga lahat ng blemishes ko sa mukha. Honestly, nagulat din ako sa effect nito kasi sobrang bilis lang talaga. Plus, wala ka talagang mararamdaman hapde. So si Orabella, super nag-work talaga sa skin ko and sa mga friends ko.